A glass with a square base is to have a value of 125 cubic meters. Let x be the length of the side of the square base and h be the length of the glass. What are the possible measurements of a side of the square base if the length should be longer than a side?
V is equal to x squared times h equal to 125 equal to x squared h, where h equal to 125 over x squared.
Ang given natin ay 125 over x squared greater than x. After that, copy mo ulit yung 125 over x squared and then i-transfer mo yung x before greater than kaya magiging negative x siya. After greater than, lagyan ng 0 sa uli. So, magiging 125 over x squared minus x less than 0. Sa pangatlo naman ay 125 over x squared minus x cubed less than 0. Ang ginawa kasi dyan, minultiply yung negative x sa x squared kaya naging negative x cubed siya. X squared means kasi x times x. Kumbaga, negative x times x squared is equal to negative x cubed.
So, ang 5 cube daw po is 125. So, paano nga ba siya naging 125? 5 times 5 times 5. So, 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. So, 5 minus x, close and open parenthesis, and then 5 plus 5x plus x squared, close and open parenthesis. Yun po ang ating denominator. And then, ang ating numerator po is copy x squared and then greater than 0. So, now, greater than 0. So now, 5 minus x is equal to 0. So itra-transfer po natin, paano nga po ba maging positive yung x? Or paano po natin igagawin? So transfer, so copy 5, and then equal. So ilipat po natin yung x, so negative x, pag dinaanan niya po yung equal, magiging positive, so 5. Positive x. So 5 is equal to x. And then, yung numerator po natin is x is equal to 0. So, yon. And then, natin pong mag-draw ng straight line. Mag-draw naman na po tayo ng straight line. Yun po, yon. Sa may left side po, ang ilalagay po natin is ang numerator. That is 0. And then, ang ating denominator po is positive 5. So, now, ano nga po yung nasa may left side po? X is less than 0. And then, ang nasa middle po natin is x less than 0 but less than 5. And then, ang nasa right, x is greater than 5.
Pagkatapos po natin masolve is ilalagay po natin sa line number sila 5 at 0. Pagkatapos nyan is gagawa po tayo ng table. Kukunin po natin si 5x, 5 plus 5x square, x square at yung buong solution po sa last. At ilalagay po natin sila sa table bilang test points. Ang interval po natin is x is less than 0 and x is greater than 5. Yun po, mag-isip po tayo ng number na mas maliit kay 0. Tama, negative 1. Next is, x is less than 0 but x is greater than 5. Mag-isip po tayo ng number na mas malaki kay 0 at mas maliit kay 5. Tama, 1. Next is, x is greater than 5. Ano nga ba yung number na mas mataas sa 5? Lalayo pa ba tayo? Di 6 na. Ngayon, for substitution, 5 minus negative 1 equals to negative 6. So, magiging negative po ang ilalagay natin sa table. And ganun din po ang gagawin sa mga susunod na given numbers. Now, if the final sign is positive, it means we need to shade it. And if it is negative, you need to leave it blank.
X such that x is element of a real number where x is greater than 0 but less than 5.